What? This car moves. This car is so explosive. Just pow, pow, pow. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So for a 50-year-old, we want to be at 4,700. Car to 53 to 5,500 RPMs. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we're going to get the car to 53 to 5,500 RPMs. 3, 2, 1, go. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you guys for clicking play, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Now, the reason why I made this video, or I'm making this video, is because I've never roll raced my car before. I want to learn what gear and what RPM I need to be at to perform the best, and nobody else in the Corvette forums really gave that much of a solid answer. Everybody said that racing on the street is bad, which everybody knows, but come on, I want to learn my car. How do I drive this thing? So basically what I figured out is that the max torque of this car is at 3,600 RPM, and the max horsepower of this car is at 6,400 RPM. So that is your power band. That's where you want to be. So for a 40 roll, what I have found to work best for me, this is my experience. My car is a automatic and it's a stock tune, and I like using the paddles. I like to be in second gear at about 36 to 4,000 RPM. Now a 50 roll, I still like to be in second gear at about 45 to 4,700 RPM. And for a 60 roll, it's hard to get the car down into second. So what you need to do is you need to slow down below 60, downshift your car into second, and then speed up to 60 in second gear. This will put you at about 53, 5,500 RPMs, which is a great place to start. Now, that shift on a 60 roll from second to third is going to be very, very fast. But that's exactly what you want to do, because if you start your 60 roll in third gear, it makes the gear a whole lot longer, and you're now out of your power band of 3,600 to 6,400. But that's my experience. Now, if your car is tuned, or if you guys have done some different mods to your car, your shifts are either going to be a lot faster, or your shifts might be in different places. But that's my experience. Now, the other thing I want you to understand is that the Corvette, the Z06, is a great car, but it is not built to win every single race, right? You're going to have GTRs come up next to you. You're going to have Ferraris. You're going to have a whole bunch of cars that want to test you, I guess, so to speak, on the road. And you need to understand that if somebody comes up to you and approaches you about a race, most likely that is their race. Like, I would consider the 40 roll to be this car's best roll race, because it's a higher torque car, and that's where the car really, really wants to step on it, wants to go. So understand that this car is not going to win every race. Example, take a look at this Lamborghini Aventador. Do you think you want to race that car on launch control? Absolutely not. Okay, so let's say you just turn your car on. You're going to move your mode selector over twice to where you're in track mode. Now the traction control button in the middle of the dial, you're going to press 1, 2. This is going to bring up your performance traction modes. These are your extra modes inside of track. You have wet, dry, Sport 1. So Sport 1, your Stabilitrak is on. Sport 2, your Stabilitrak is off. So if you were to step on it, your car can break loose to the side, that yaw. Now, if you have race, your Stabilitrak is off and your traction control is still technically on, but you would really have to step on it on a curve for it to come off. Now, if you press race, if you press the button, it turns it back off, where your Stabilitrak and your traction control are still on. Now, if you hold it down for 5 seconds, boom, you're ready to go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So for a 50-year-old, we want to be at 4,700. Car to 53 to 5,500 RPMs. So 3, 2, 1, go. So now that I've shown you guys where I take off on a 40 roll, 50 roll, 60 roll, what gear I'm in, and what RPM I'm at, as well as taking a deeper dive into the different PTM modes inside of track, as well as how to take off traction control and Stabilitrak, it would mean the world to me if you guys could leave me a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm looking to grow my channel and be the next big YouTube star. But thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.